In this video, we will see how you can unblock blocked numbers on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. So let's get started. First of all, just open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just look for the Phone app, then tap on it. Now at the end of the page, you will find the option of Blocked Contacts. Just tap on it. Now to unblock the blocked contacts on your iPhone, just swipe the contact to the left side which you want to unblock. And by doing that, you will unblock the contact. Just like that. Now as you can see, we have successfully unblocked the selected contact on our iPhone. Now this is the first method. Now for the second method to unblock contacts on your iPhone, just open the Contacts app on your iPhone, then select the contact which you want to unblock. As you can see, this contact is currently blocked. Now just scroll down and tap on Unblock Contact. And once you do that, you will unblock the selected contact on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can unblock phone numbers on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.